Here's how to take care of your parents if they are financially unable to do so without affecting their Medicaid status. Hey everyone, I'm Christopher Small, I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. You just heard what we're about to talk about. If, by the way, you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, today's video is a direct result of a conversation that I had with a client earlier who was trying to help take care of their parents and had some unintended consequences by doing some things that they just didn't understand had an effect on potential Medicaid eligibility. This person in particular wanted to take care of their parents. The parents are living with them, they're just not making a lot of money at all. They don't have a lot of assets to their name. And what this person did was make a pretty big gift into a bank account of their parents. That money was then, invested, and it's kind of grown a little bit. It's not an insignificant amount of money, is what I will say. Now, the parents are older, obviously, and they are thinking about planning or trying to figure out how to pay for future medical expenses, and they are trying to figure out how to make sure that Medicaid eligibility is an option. And they called me and I told them they are going to have some unintended consequences from this gift, because that gift is going to have to be spent down before the parents are going to be eligible for Medicaid. And you can't just undo the gift now, because it will be sort of seen as a gift from the parents back to the child. And when you make gifts like that and you try to qualify for Medicaid, you're going to have a look back period in pretty much all states of about 5 years. And if 5 years has not elapsed since you gave that money back, that money is going to be seen as being a part of your parents' assets, and it's going to need to be spent, or the 5 years is going to have to elapse before they can be eligible for Medicaid. Now, what are some different creative solutions that one could do here? First of all, you probably should just get the money out of the parents' account as quickly as possible so that you can get the clock started. There's not going to be a lot of things that you can do to reduce that clock size necessarily, so that would probably be step one. If the child is willing to take it back, you could literally just gift it back. In a case like this, you're not going to have to worry about gift taxes, you're not going to have to worry about any other estate tax issues, because they're going to be well under the exemption amount. No gift taxes owed, just have to file a gift tax return the next year. Another idea that I came up with for them that you could possibly do, this was technically, in this instance, a gift to one parent. That parent could create an irrevocable trust. The beneficiary of that trust could be the spouse. The child could be the trustee of that trust. And then the parent who received the gift could make a gift into that trust, and those assets would be available for the spouse and presumably for them in some tangential ways, and the money would still be earmarked for them, even if the child died or did something like that. In that case, you're still going to have that 5-year look back period. The third thing that you could do is try to spend that money on something that's not going to count towards Medicaid assets when you're determining eligibility. The problem is that's a little dangerous, because if you do not qualify, or if those funds do not qualify, then they're just gone. Now you have to wait before you can get care. So, the point of this video is really not how to do these different things. If you're wondering how to do this, if you're thinking about how to do this, the point is, call somebody. Call an attorney, call an estate planning lawyer, call a Medicaid attorney, elder law person, and ask them questions. Okay, they can give you some of this type of information. They can watch out for red flags or pitfalls, and they'll be able to do so in the context of your specific situation. That's where these things get dangerous. You hear this video, you watch this video, and you go out there and take some action. There may be some other factor that is specific to you that I don't know about. So if you run out there and just listen to these videos, listen to what one of your friends say, you're taking a big chance. So call somebody, ask them questions, okay? learn about what your options are, and then make the best choice for you. All right. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully you're not finding yourself in these situations. If you do, you got to make the best of it. All right. If you do have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. That is it for today, folks. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you, and I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.